Aloha, y'all. Daniel Aaron here, your guide to vibrant living, coming to you from the sacred Iao Valley. And I would say I'm in the midst of a cold bath, but it's not really that cold. This is not something that Wim Hof would be impressed with. That said, sit in here for a little while and things start to get chilly, a little shivering even. It's good. So, this month we got a big focus on the spirit of success and the success of spirit. And part of why I am here today myself, as we come into this full moon, is to get the cleansing of spirit, to connect with specifically the mana. Mana meaning energy, prana, the earth, the nature, the physical vitality, the spiritual energy that is Maui and Hawaii. And as our neighbor, Big Island Mauna Loa, is erupting right now, it reminds me just of how much power there is in nature and how much power there is for us when we align with nature and allow it to guide us, allow it to cleanse us. So this is a quickie for y'all, me sharing the blessing of this place and doing my best all the time to bring the aloha spirit to you wherever you are in the world. Blessings. Aloha.